Question 9. A coin is flipped 10 times. How many possible outcomes are there? So when we hear the phrase how many, we want to think multiply. So the coin is flipped 10 times. So if we flip a coin, we've got two possible outcomes, heads or tails. So for the first flip, we've got two possible outcomes. For the second flip, we've got two possible outcomes. For the third flip, we've got two possible outcomes, and so on up as far as 10 times. So that's going to be 2 by 2 by 2, 10 times. So 2 by 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 2, which is 2 to the power of 10. So that's two options or two possible outcomes, heads or tails, 10 times. So 2 to the power of 10 is 1024 possible outcomes. Question 10. An online test consists of 12 questions, each with 4 choices. In how many ways can this test be filled out if all the questions are answered? So nobody leaves any blanks. So the phrase in how many ways, we want to think multiply. So we've 12 questions and they each have 4 choices. So for the first question, we've got 4 choices. So we've got 4 multiplied by another 4, because we've another 4 choices for the second question, multiplied by another 4, because we've another 4 choices for the third question, and so on up as far as 12. So 4 choices for the first question, 4 choices for the second question, 4 choices for the third question, and so on up as far as the 12th question. So 4 by 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 4, which is 4 to the power of 12. So 4 choices, 12 times, so 4 to the power of 12, gives us 16,777,216 possible ways that the test can be filled out if all the questions are answered.